Welcome back to Aquable. So today I have ordered a new item for you guys and for myself as well. तो आज हमने ऑर्डर किया है Kludge RK84 V2 Gateron Switch mechanical keyboard, right? So as you can see, nice and packaging. So let's get started. Let's open the box. So we have some G stickers. I guess it's for top G. Just kidding. Then second, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? I can't open it. Okay, I can open it now. Huh? What's this? Can anyone tell me? Interesting. Okay. So let's keep this aside. Okay, so this is the keyboard box, Kludge. Oh my god, it's heavy. It's nice. It gives. Okay, so let's open the box. RK Kludge keyboard. As I showed before, it's R84. Tri-mode yellow switch model. Okay, it costed me around 6,300 on sale. So yeah, let's see. I will post all the details below in the description box, so just check them out. Oh, it's a heavy one, quite heavy. I didn't expect that. Okay, so we got a user manual. Okay, it's a nice user manual for a first timer. Since I'm a total beginner, it's good for me to know the shortcuts and all that stuff. So yeah, now let's take out our keyboard. We have keyboard. What else do we have? Okay, since it's a tri-mode, so wired. What do we call this? It's the plucker or something. I don't know. It's something to take out the switches. What's this? I see red switches, but why do we have red switches? I'm not sure. And what's this? No, let me take it out first. Yep, empty box. Keyboard. Let's take out wire first. So it's a USB to USB type C wire. It's pretty long as well. Yeah, so USB aside, keeping USB aside, what do we have next? Red switches. I don't know how to use it yet. I don't know how to use this as well. Let's see what's this. I think this is for the height adjust part. Oh, it's magnetic one. Okay, now let me show you what exactly the keyboard looks like from side, top, bottom. I bought it from Genesis PC, so yeah, it's good that they have put a seal here. So I think it goes here and here. Oh, you see, did you saw that? Nice. Nice. Okay, so let's try to go, keeping this aside for now. So we have this dongle thing wired, and then this is in Bluetooth as well. Okay, so first we will try with the dongle. I will plug it into my laptop. Dongle plugged in. Let me turn on. That's how it works, right? Wired mode and charging, BT 2.4 GHz dongle. So it should be power on done. Switch to G. Switch to G. It switched to G. let's go. Okay, time for the test. I will just do the normal thing which I do. Print. Okay, I'm still not used to this keyboard yet. Print A, B, C, D. Nice. This feels good, quite good, but it will take some time to get used to it. So let me give some description about this keyboard. First of all, it's a Kludge RK84 V2 version. I have ordered the one with yellow switches. I researched a lot and most of the people told me to go with the yellow switches if you are beginner, right? So I went with these yellow switches. Now time to just let you know about the other details as well. I chose RK84 mainly cause of one reason. It has a bigger battery. It has 3750 mAh battery. It's quite big as compared to its other versions, which have generally I think 1400 or something mAh battery. I think 1000 as well. So since I mostly will be using it wirelessly, so that's a good point for me. Secondly, it has hot-swappable switch design. That's a great thing which I learned recently. It has 3 mode USB type C, which I will show you in a bit. Which can be done via this wire. Secondly, the dongle, the 2.4 GHz dongle. It has quite a range of I think 5 to 8 meters I read somewhere, but I have to test it properly, right? So after that we have Bluetooth mode as well, which is quite interesting. So I think Bluetooth mode which we can use in the mobile phones or any other devices which have Bluetooth connectivity, so that will be quite useful there at times. So there are times when you are writing some essays on phone, so I think that might be the use case for it, but I still don't know how it will be used on phone, so let's see. After that we have full RGB. That was really my main point to buy this. RGB looks quite cool, I'm not gonna lie. It looks very colorful. RGB blue. Oh, it's moving like this as well. Nice. It has multiple support with the Mac and Windows as well, so that's a good thing in case you have office laptops which are generally Mac these days, or you never know, as the additional laptop you have Mac. That's quite useful. Then what else should you know? Yeah, one more thing. It has 2 USB port and 1 type C, so this can be used in case you have a pen drive or something, or for example mouse plugged in, right? You can, instead of attaching directly to CPU, you can attach it here and it will work. But do note, it will only work if it's directly connected via wire, that is USB wire. It won't work if it's on 2.4 GHz or Bluetooth. What's the reason for that? The main reason is in case you are connected via Bluetooth or that 2.4 GHz dongle, there is data limitation, right? You can't transfer the high-speed data transmission, and for using the peripheral mouse or other stuff, you need a high transfer cable. So for that case, the USB wire comes in handy, right? So if you are plugging in a high-speed transfer cable and then you are using it, so it will transfer the data from USB stick to the wire to the system, right? So that's how it works. What else should you know? I think that's all. It has pretty nice feel to it as well. The yellow keys feels good, and it has a pro driver support as well. That was one good thing about this. And I was telling that it has 2 mainly height modes, which are 12 degrees and 8 degrees. So at this point it's at 8 degrees, but if you put these on, it's at 12 degrees. So that's pretty nice, because I know that sometimes most of the people put their hand like this and type, so it's useful for them, unlike some people who are like spider and nah, that's not me. Other thing that you need to know that you can plug the 2 USB, 1 Type-C hub. Yeah, that's all sorted. You have a DIY software support as well. So like I said, it has a pro software driver support, so you can install the Royal Kludge keyboard software on your PC or laptop, and then customize however you want the macros and everything. Yeah, so it's a 75% keyboard, so it has a function row and additional rows here, which is quite handy for me since I have to code, and sometimes these are functions keys are very useful, I think, because I think that below this much keyboard would be just very small for me, to be honest, but this one feels perfect size. Yep, that's all I think. So I will show you guys a quick sound test as well if you want. Let me see if you can catch the sound or not. So as you can see that if I am pressing it like this, then it makes a sound, and it's quite silent. I think it won't even. I bought this specifically because I wanted something to feel like clicky and not much of a sound as well. So it's like nice one. Like even if I do long-term typing, I think it won't annoy anyone at home. So I think this is for the best, because mostly I will be typing like this only. So yeah, it has nice feel, not going to lie. The function keys are quite nice as well, see. Okay, that's all, I think. Please oh yeah, sorry, the main RGB. Let me explore the RGB, see. So if I do this, dime, that feels good. Not going to lie, that feels quite good. Oh, okay, so this is in light. Let me turn off the lights and then show you the proper RGB feel. Yep, lights are completely turned off now. Oh, pretty good now, see. Let's see what else do we have. Okay, so as you can see, like there are lots of different modes. Pretty nice, not going to lie. It's my first mechanical keyboard, so it feels quite special and quite fun. Yeah, I will let you guys know in case you need further review. Okay, so that's all for that's all for now. I hope this helps you guys, and let me know if in case you need to know anything related to any services, shipping. Yeah, so when it comes to cost, so it costed me around 6,300, additional 125 rupees for the Blue Dart premium shipping, and it was quite packed well. Yeah, not going to lie, it was solidly packed. There was no damage in this keyboard, but there's something which I felt that if you notice, the caps lock as feels a bit blur, like the keys, they don't feel like properly, like see, if you see the home key, the O looks bit torn or what do you say, used, I think. See, I don't know if it's like this in general or what, But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like, I really appreciate you guys supporting me via various comments, fun fun interactions, not going to lie. Hopefully I can help you guys. Let move. I think this is it. Oh this is something new. Okay, so as you can see, I heard that it's a floating one, so it's for this something called floating text, floating feel or something, right? So if I do this, oh, see, it feels as if it's floating, right? It has pretty nice look, not going to lie, but yeah, I think it looks better with this frame. Yeah, looks better. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, then that's all covered from my side. Let me know what this thing is which I got from them. This has something like this on their back, right? I don't know what is the use case for this, or like, is it like a pin? Where do I put it? Yeah, not in this, right? Just kidding. It's so sad. I have to no. Okay, that's all. Thank you, guys. Until next time.